I'm not sure if I can hold the camera, like the iPhone, still enough so that you can see it. But this stuff is actually moving. Now that it's formed its blob back to itself, gone to the blobby state again, I just picked it up and ripped it all apart and was showing a friend what it does, and this is like maybe not even 5 minutes ago, it's just gone back to blobby. I did kind of squeeze it back together a little bit, but you can see if you squeeze it, it moves. It's alive. And if you watch it slowly, you can see it kind of spreading out and moving. It's very slow, but you can tell it's moving. You may not be able to with the video though. But see where I just pushed it with my fingers? It's neat stuff. Just take it and rip a piece off and put it on there. Well, it's kind of drying to the hands. Like my hands look like they're like I'm 80 years old. I gotta wash them and put some lotion on. I guess maybe it's the glue or the borax or something. It's just very drying. And slightly green hands from the food coloring, I think. I don't know. Maybe it's just because they're so dry. It's just really neat stuff. Doesn't go stretchy like it says that it's supposed to in the website that I got it from. She's got a picture of her son playing with some, and he's holding it up and stretching it, and it's really stretchy, but I find it's not doing that. But it still is. It's fun stuff. It's like globby and gooey. The only thing is, if you pick some up and squeeze it in your hands, it just kind of goes to this kind of cheese curdy. It's like squeezing it, it doesn't. It's not like Play-Doh and stays together. It just goes all kind of bits and pieces. So that's definitely one thing. You know, it gets all these little pieces like this all over the place. That's the other thing I didn't like for playing with little kids with it. And we have a lot of carpet. I'd find this stuff mushed into my carpet, so he'd have to play someplace that I could put some plastic down, I suppose, on the floor, or paper all around, and kind of keep an eye on him. Make sure he doesn't fling it all around. I get Play-Doh all over the place, but it seems to dry up. I don't know what this stuff would do. I'm not sure if it would dry up. It looks really wet, but it does leave a little bit of wet on your finger when you touch it, but not extremely wet. I'm not sure how to describe it. I don't know. Half fail, half positive. It's interesting stuff. Maybe I'll try a few more batches. It was only $1.50 for a bottle of the 118 milliliter bottles of glue. Mind you, I didn't use the exact glue that she said to use. Went to the dollar store and got white glue. It's all pretty standard, I think. She used Elmer's glue. And my water was hot when I mixed my borax. As soon as you pour it in, it goes solid right away. It's neat stuff, though. So, have fun.